Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Tech is Strong with Shobit. I hope you are doing great in tech and fitness. First of all, thank you so much for answering the question which I've asked in the previous episode. And most of the people have give the correct answer only. Thank you for that. I want to say one more thing like those who lend it to this episode directly, please watch out other 9 episodes as well. I'm covering the syllabus which helped me to get Google, Microsoft, and Qualcomm. Please watch out and subscribe to the channel as well so that you will get notified for the upcoming episode as well. Let's come to the topic now. You have seen like undefined reference or multiple definitions error multiple time in C code. So, but we don't know like from where these errors are coming. So today we will make the compilation process so clear that those error will stop feeling random. This topic is not just theory. If you understand compilation, you can debug faster, write better firmware, and handle real interview questions confidently. Your .c file does not become an executable in one step. It passes through 4 stages: preprocessor, compiler, assembler, and linker. Let's break down what each stage does and what it produces. Step 1 is preprocessor. It basically a smart text expansion. It copies header files into your code, replaces macros, and handles conditional compilation. The output is expanded C code, often called a .i file. For example, you are seeing in the slide that hash define max 100 is just a replacement. After pre-processing, the compiler sees int x equals to 100. So if you mess up macros or includes, you do not get C error. You get preprocessor problems. Now the real works begin. The compiler converts C code into assembly. The compiler also checks if your code makes sense. Syntax errors, type issues, wrong function calls, those are compiler errors. Let's see the compiler output concept. Assembly is like CPU instruction written in text form. The compiler decide how to use registers, how to pass parameters, and how to generate instruction. CPU cannot run C directly. It needs those instructions. Step 3, which is assembler. Assembler converts assembly into real machine code, which is zeros and ones. The output is an object file like main.o, but this file may still have missing pieces called unresolved symbols. What is an unresolved symbol? Suppose your code calls printf. The compiler knows how to generate the call, but it does not know where printf is located in memory. So the object file keeps a note. I need printf from somewhere else. Let's see step 4, which is linker. Now comes the linker, the stage that creates the final program. It takes multiple object files, libraries, and combine them into one executable. It resolves all those missing symbols and assign final addresses. Most scary error happens here because the linker is assembling the whole program. If something is missing, duplicated, or not found, you get linker errors. Let's have a look on undefined reference error. It means that you called a function or used a variable, but the linker could not find its definition anywhere. The program is incomplete. Let's see what is multiple definition error. It means that the same thing was defined twice. This often happens when people accidentally defines a global variable in a header file. The linker sees two copies and say which one is real. Let's see what's a key takeaway. Compiler checks correctness. Is your C program valid? Linker checks completeness. Do all called function exist? If you understand this, debugging becomes 10x easier. So the journey is .c will preprocess, then compile, then assemble, then link, and then become finally executable. Let's have a quick knowledge check. Please pause the video, read this question, and comment the answer. I will read each of your answer and will tell you is your answer is correct or wrong. And please explain your answer as well. I hope you understand that how your .c program become an executable. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and I will release frequently other episode as well. Please subscribe to the channel and stay strong and stay fit.